Previously on Quandary.
Let me go, don't touch me. Go answer the phone, give me the phone. When you see that touch me like my phone, go on. Don't go club down. Yeah, it's good, but you can improve on your tongue. You need to hold your tongue like a worm.
Maybe I should not put where I talk about Jerry today. It's a road.
Jerome, you really kill me? Our pop's color there, you have Jerome.
What?
Our.
Come on, I take a picture of my bike. Stop, no man.
Stop now.
Yo, you don't push out the way on the phone. Yo,
Stop. Alright. Stop now, man.
You left me here alone. You don't pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy. So what do you want from me? Say what you gotta, it really don't matter, it really don't matter to me. Run, baby, run away. Sick and tired of the games and you don't know what to say. For me once, for me twice, and apologize. And not again, won't be the end, I'm not playing nice. No, run, baby, run away. You'd be the death of me. I'm not who I thought you'd be. Don't need your permission. Tired of existing inside of this prison.
Artist, barber. Yeah, no, yeah, barber shop. On the line. Of a Mali barber shop, this.
No things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me. Mind is disturbing. Now give me a heart to beat. Bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it. Your self-esteem easy to turn on me. That's what I wanna be. Dreamers in front of me. Called up the game, and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position.
yeah, dude.
Yeah, one of the.
Yeah, man, I say, yo, bro, never sure of the past. On these places,
Yeah, me know them.
I need some security, so I really get to see myself.
You want to go on. I really shut and bust it them. Response to them things.
Yeah.
I'm going to call them and let them get a team.
Yeah, support the man. I'm going to see that.
I'm going to kill them.
Don't know take care of everything else.
Oh, look at that link, pop skull in it.
Yeah, man, any one of them, anybody, I don't know, so from everything governed. I know it's about right, I'm sure I'm forward now. So
I'm begging this thing about you don't have to run a food from the car.
no problem. Yeah, say I did. You go over this.
Yeah, man, crazy.
They ask you who the man. I'm pulling right up and I'm doing like Superman. Hey. Back with a vengeance, I'm back with the vibe and a true man. Hey, pull her right down like a Superman. Pull her right down like a Superman. Pull her right down like a Superman. They ask you who the man. I'm pull her right up and I'm doing like Superman. Hey, back with a vengeance, I'm back with the vibe and a true man. Hey, pull her right down like a Superman. Pull her right down like a Superman. Pull her right down like a Superman. I'm super nice, super lit. Yes, I'm Superman. I'm legit. I got verses, dog, just like I'm Jit. I made my pesos too. Man, that shit sis. Homie, I'm Superman.
Yo, can I stop yourself trouble?
Yo, I don't want nobody to give me a talk, you know, brother.
Imagine after we give you a chance, you still like the trouble. You're gonna dead in a youth.
You should, brother, then. You should have lucky.
You should have lucky so all day.
You should have guts the idea.
Hey, pull her right down like a Superman.
Yo, I still don't understand what you say, go on the doctor.
No, for nothing that I'm really can't sleep, brother, I'm kidding.
I don't understand. The big woman just drop off a bed, so?
Playing money, you know. Yo, just like I didn't right now. I pray a lot of things I want to
Like what?
pray for you move out, man. Things stressful, man. I tap me a son. Still there, so you just feel that way, you know. Brother, right now, I think just stressful, brother. Right now, when it happen, bro, can't sleep, you know. I sleep on me and I see her, you know.
Oh, wait, dead girl?
She come on. Just stressful, bro. You know. I didn't time there, man.
When I didn't time there, I would, you can imagine, what's going on? Can not catch me yet?
Yeah, I say you would have run my brother, but feel like I would have moved, you know.
I know, would I run when I cut me a cut, you know? I'm not telling you, bro. My one problem is if I don't want to come with me, I'm not let smell. My heartbeat that.
Hello, who this?
Yo, Pops call Patrick from B.
Oh, what going cause? Oh, I don't know my yard.
I want to tell you say it's a burner phone, you know, because from what day I want to tell you say 3 phones are missing. Now 1 month of a station.
Yeah, I saw now go on down there. So what go on?
Right. I want to tell you say it's a body refined still, you know.
Yeah.
Now why you can take a look and see. Kind of sharp and forensic.
Yeah. Okay. So what old about the stay?
In a bad condition, you know, because and the team go down there with the ratty crew and when they reach the scene, all junk car fly off of the face.
Yeah, that's a go on, man. Oh.
Look like she did have on a ring too. You know, they goodly master that off because of gold that.
Yeah, but ring. But you know, so my girl never really wear no ring still, you know. Never wear no ring. Yeah.
Yo, right now, brother. You know when I'm going to roll in the bro, cause.
Wait. Man, I have a friend from where I lick up in the wood, I can't care.
I'm going to roll with it, I feel like they're forward, you know.
Bro, you know Pop's calling up on nothing.
No, I know that. That's why I say more move.
So me already help you get rid of this. Get rid of this girl. See me? already too deep in this thing. You want me to get deeper, bro? They said that underground sickness and calm nerves.
It's just stressful, man. Right now, I don't even know, brother. I don't think more stays, you know.
Yo, I'm going to God river. I think I feel the vibes. I first never not feel the vibes because of more milk. You know what I mean? It's a more than trouble. It's a more than trouble.
Brother, I'm saying I get a good sleep and thing, and you just rest from my mind, man. Just feel like, yo.
So what go on differently? Yo, one goat and one hog, you know.
Oh, I want to listen to I kill about 7 goat and 2 hog in a week and forward, you know. You can, when you clean it up still, you can get some of the belly. You know? Because I know you love tripe and bean and them things there, isn't it?
Yeah, man, that sound good, man. But differently still, me don't want one goat and one hog still, cause yo, if I can't find my girl in the morning, she get a nice, you know, set up and all them things, you know. So, you have to have something. Yeah, you have to have something like that.
So open a fire still, you see me? So we can clean up them and fix up them meat for the wedding, see me. I don't know so enough food for the day now.
Yeah, you can go on there.
Brother, you know I love my food, you know, brother, so don't know.
Yeah, man, cuz you can go on still, you can go on, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, when I come that side, on a different level, just give me a link. Cause I don't know, man, I use straight phone. You know.
Yes, cuz. No,
yo, any day I catch that boy that we are doing teeth in there, you can hear about him, you know.
yeah, man, I know certain things set, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, so, yeah. We will link on that sick cousin and see what is what. You understand?
So, yo, bro, you know how I see. Now the hungry there for around somewhere, the dash your brother, man, the 9 of them, man.
Oh, yeah, sir. You better worry yourself, cuz, man. I mean, and Pops calling her, man. I soon come give him a page, man.
Brother, I tell you, say, yo, I tell you, say, if you left that one day, no, brother.
I chose telling you, man, but you don't know the circumstances. Worry yourself, man. You not get it for long, man. Long run, short catch.
Alright, done, brother.
Alright, sir.
You can't sleep up a few places, no?
No. You know, so it's a small.
You sleep in the yard or something, brother, right now. We just are comfortable in the yard, you know.
I'm not gonna like that. I don't like nobody in our house, you know that. You know this.
Maybe if I'm issue,
I like when we did little and young and we did wild and sitting and we just do be a thing, you know, say from male move in a different situation. You see me?
sleep real. I think alright still. I'll try it.
I'm gonna ask a whole heap of questions, what we do, what go on, and I still can't understand how you reach up on the place, brother. Make your man see you. And that's I think because all that foolishness now, you know? You go back up at the place and make your man see you.
When I sleep, brother, tell him
So you go up there figure sleep?
like I wake up and I just see her in the mirror. I say, yo, if you really kill her, brother, so I jump out. Jump up, brother, I just take you up the brother.
Like, dopey business, that's real?
I don't know.
Brother, I mean, not dopey, you know, but...
But my these are signs for she has sent me up there for something we don't know about you.
For what? If you make Pop's call put one shot in my head?
Bro, right, and I'm there, so I need to be comfortable and stuff. I can't afford to do it.
Don't again and cut it.
You know much for the feeling.
This is some different kind of trouble, you know. You ever had the foolishness, but this is the worst foolishness you ever did, you know. Right now you put everybody's life in danger, you know.
Yeah, just
Oh boy, Jerry, you're just not learning, you know.
Just keep your mouth, bro. I want everything alright. Come on.
When I know you're right, but I won't say sorry. Turning out the lights, but I can't get you off my mind. When you pour your wine and you're folding laundry, gotta 'cause you know that I can feel it. You're inside my bones. Please never leave me alone. Why do I get butterflies every time I look into your eyes and I see you? Do you see me? Now my pulse is on the rise. I can feel the future crystallize 'cause I need you. You need me.
Well, it's the back of it.
Why do I get butterflies?
What's up?
But it's hard to reach you. Come on back again. 'Cause you know that I can show you. So won't you come home? Please never leave me alone. Why do I get butterflies every time I look into your eyes and I see you? Do you see me? Now my pulse is on the rise. I can feel the future crystallize 'cause I need you. You need me. Why do I get butterflies? Why do I get butterflies every time I look into your eyes and I see you? Do you see me? Why do I get butterflies every time I look into your eyes and I see you? Do you see me? Now my pulse is on the rise. I can feel the future crystallize 'cause I need you. You need me. Why do I get butterflies? Why do I get butterflies? I see you. You see me. I need you. Why do I get butterflies? I see you. You see me. I need you. Why do I get butterflies?
Yo, Popskull. Remember Mr. Joe, though? The man from country. Same place on the road, though. Yeah, around that farm. You know, say, the man find a body, bro. And it's a female too, you know. So I think, the American set it up, bro. No, him no call it in, you know, mean call. So we have time. So just take it all and forward the country. And do what you have to do. And then we can call it in. Yeah man, hurry up.
Alright, we've pull up in my soon already. Yeah, but we just don't talk about we not talk about and go. Wish we could have carried home the river, you know, cool. Put in a room and go and chill. Yeah, when I say a good idea, come up with stills. I mean, we can do that, but just in money.
No, babes. All we need is just 3 good DJ and some selector. As long as them can draw a good crowd, we're good at everything, don't we?
True.
Where going him again? Whether DJ, we can't even use DJ Pops or DJ Wiz.
Team Wisdom and DJ
Yeah,
Pops.
Team Wiz and DJ Pops.
You have to use DJ Pops?
So what's wrong with DJ Pops?
No, I don't like Pops, you know.
Hello, him is a good DJ.
And Team Wiz.
Yep. Team was good, but I'd rather go with DJ Pops.
Team Wiz still is good.
It's not what you prefer. I mean, my thing.
So I don't know what it.
Alright, that's our thing, but I mean, I've been talking, you know, so a woman always have to talk. So, just agree with me. May I go with DJ Pop, so just stick to DJ Pop.
Alright, what just how you say?
And we need some artists, man.
Artists like who? Artists here, maybe?
Some, like, how much for book them, so.
Alright, if you have book one big artist, then you know we'll look for at least 500,000. If you find like one artist who have one couple of songs, then that will cost you about 200,000.
That's alright, man. That's alright, okay. So, we can get all a female artist or something like that?
That could look like 100,000 artists. You know, do one at song, and then we get some little local artists them from both the place. You know, 10 grand.
Yeah, me work with that, but I want female artists, man. So that bother go on like cannot hear the part about female artists. I want female artists.
Then I want to put one artist out of Livingston. She named D Queen. She sings some Madame Bougie and some. She bad. Can give her 50 grand.
She cool for true. She have some good songs for true. I like her song them. But you don't have one name. What's your name again? Queen Sheba.
Who?
Queen Sheba.
You know what a Queen Sheba mean?
Babe, stop going like you don't know Queen
What
Sheba.
Queen Sheba?
You don't more like if you know Queen Sheba more than me.
You don't know Queen Sheba?
Queen Sheba?
I don't know her.
Really?
Yo, stop. You know you check G? 4 minutes. Hurry up, carry a team of forward then. Yeah, dog.
Babe, we can't keep it to underground land, you know. But we come to think of it, that can't hold 1,000 people along the parking spot. I will hold a bag what me want. You don't know the place at the runabout, right at the market, behind the market.
The big old piece of upland.
Yes. We can cut down your whole of the bush, them, trade them and everything, and build it up and everything, and make the event fit there. What do you think about it?
Babe, I know you're ambitious and something, but if you cut down the whole of them the tree, they and grade off all of the best, the way I talk about it, will take a whole heap of money in a millions. You look one day, no?
Beers, listen. I want my thing for short, so I have to put out some money and fix up a road and everything.
Babes, you don't have that kind of money there? Babes, you have a man to give you money.
Don't worry yourself. No,
Babes,
no,
babes.
no, I don't have
You
any
really
money.
tell me no myself?
No, listen, I never say I have no money where I give me money, but don't worry yourself. Where the money ever come from? But
So,
anyways.
Yes, Miss Evelyn.
So I saw your call. I was on a stakeout. Something's been happening. This place is a big gang of corruption. What's going on?
Alright, girl, you know, say, my cousin called me a while ago and said, them see one body, I want girl, you know, very decomposed, you know. So I don't know.
So any news yet?
Just that alone him tell me. I don't find me now them lose it. He might tell me say boy the body in a bad state. So I don't know what to do.
You can look for yourself and report it to the insurance company that she's missing and fear dead in Jamaica.
Oh, so that I got that some good man. So what? So we soon get through them. How long did that take?
Roughly 7 years.
7? Oh, sir. I bet tell you. Yeah, I mean that long, man. We have to find some way to deal with this, man. We have to find some way to deal with this. Me, I'll go into the yard, you know.
I don't know, baby. It's because it's a foreign country part. They said that she would have been actively missing for about 7 years, so with absolute no contact for anyone for them to visit dead crowds. So
Can't bother them policy there, you know, girl.
it is what it is. It's
Okay.
actually the law, but let's us stick to the plan.
Yeah.
Keep searching for her.
Yeah.
You talk to the boy, she and him a creep.
No, you know, but you know, say me go in the yard, go clean up the evidence and me they tell you with the on the ground. Yeah, man, and you know, say me spot one bike around there too. Yeah, man, spot a bike around there, so, no.
What if he knows something?
Well, I mean, I know, you
Just
know.
hope nobody see you you're going back to the house.
Yeah, that me say. I not even know if I'm in a car. I don't know if him ride bike or what. Understand? Me just go around there and see, but I take no check, so. What do you think me for do you know, car? Boy, you are the expert, you know.
Well,
I all want security there and every little thing like that.
Listen, I'm more money that again, no?
I all go link the politician lady and everything. So police can't come nowhere near that. You see if them do come, a little me give them for them go back at the yard or go back at the station.
You go on to parish council people and see if you get permit to use the whole of bag work to do a party.
Some of them me go to
park.
Be able to come much place to them for them park. Listen, it is a big open lot.
So you do lease bag work for you, night?
Yes.
How you get the people to close them plaza and all them something?
I can't pay them off. I'm my thing me I deal with. I'm my thing fish shot. So I work towards it. Babe, don't worry yourself. I got shot.
Wait, you scare me.
Don't worry yourself. Everything I got alright.
But yeah, all of them the money where the
But
money there come
baby, I
from.
gotta make back the money.
Where you get it from in the first place?
When the artists them come, enough people are come over and get money though.
No one still know, but I just become a little I mean, I really understand where all of them money there come from. So now watch you.
so what I want to do for me is I want you to soak her panty in some salt water, a little bit of salt, not too much.
Yeah.
With some rubbing alcohol.
Alright.
Some warm water. And I want you to see if we can get any evidence from her brush, a hair brush. If it's too strong a hair, we're going to need some DNA. And make sure so the panty is from the laundry, something that is already used.
Alright.
So you check the laundry for stuff like that.
Alright. Yeah, man.
And you make sure you put it on the crime scene.
Yeah, man. May I do that, you know, man. May I draw on my pants and finish dress and then just go on the crime scene and then sort out that. And may I call you up, I can make another one. Alright, baby. Alright, love you, baby.
Make sure you get.
Yeah, man, I
I
do
love
that.
you.
Alright, man.
And get that done, alright?
Alright, may I do
Be
that, man.
careful.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, me pray hard, me pray.
Don't worry yourself, man. But you're not ready.
Yeah, people are coming with them. One back and nice.
How much people are coming?
You want to worry about myself, you know?
I know your police have left evidence.
thirsty. Hey, Eva, what's up, baby?
Hey, I'm about to head out for work. Wanted to touch base with you before I go. I'm looking at a long night and I didn't get a lot of sleep.
Yeah, why not?
Well, I had a long Zoom meeting which didn't make sense, but I had to be there. Don't even want to talk about it with Melody.
Babe, nothing long without me involved not supposed to make sense in your life. Anyways, and Mel is, she's at the bar, I think.
She love what at the bar, you make sure you get enough for she, because when you come here, you not go back to her. I guess it's my time now. Plus, me here say you have another woman out there.
Can I other woman you talk about, Eva? You know, say you're the only other woman me have with Mel.
Is it? That's not even worded, right? Mel is the only other woman you are permitted to have until your filing comes through. So, but me here say I give me one.
Nothing like that. Anybody I tell that a foolishness, they might tell you. Plus me know.
Is it?
Yeah. Like seriously, I know what you're talking about.
So is it that Mel not doing the things I'm again?
Yeah, Mel good. No worry about that. You're your game still, man. I understand how I go on. You actually start an argument. You see me? What you get stressed out with this filing thing or what? You can't manage it no more?
No, remember I have a lot of friends out there and I see you are getting angry, but I just one of them things there. Just watch your back and stop fuck the policeman woman.
Which?
Yeah, the fat one where you carry around at your friend yard.
What that?
I have some police friends out police friends out there, so they might tell me the story. Cryptic, but watch your back.
My girl.
When I get the girl out there, they know what I'm talking about, right?
My girl, watch you now. Only thing cryptic right now, I madness where you talk. So you what you do? Just go on and work. Me talk to him tomorrow about them things there. Yeah, but me get all stammer right now. Just go on and work and we talk tomorrow. I'm in a mood for this right now.
Really?
Yes, really. You piss me off. Can't believe that you really come for do. Alright.
If you don't want to talk about it, love you.
But there is nothing to talk about, Evanique.
Well, we'll further this conversation later. Love you.
Yeah. Later.
What?
Later.
Love you too, bye. Love you too, bye.
Yeah. Love
What
you
about
too.
that?
Bye.
Alright.
Take care of yourself. Make nothing happen to you.
You too, does not make police and kill it for them, woman. Bye.
Hey. What the f... Evanique. Answer your phone, the dog. Yo, Jerome. Change of plans. Nah, but I run away.
There ain't no lack of the chemistry. I'm really with all of your energy. Highly pursued, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June and we walking the line. Remember you best with a streak of some bomb for the spring. I got hella respect for you doing your thing. Couple of drinks, we get drunk off the jama, you mad. Passive aggressive, a hook in the jail. I gotta fix it whenever you're sad. Baby, I'm doing the best that I can. You know I gotta make good on the vision. I can explain if you're willing to listen. Girl, I've been with it since whipping the Civic, so sit down a second and give me a baby. If you love me, let me know who. Let me know who. Let me know who. Yeah, baby, if you love me, let show.